Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, it's been a while since you've seen us, so don't be surprised. We've been off down in East Texas fishing, but it's gardening time now, and so we thought we better get on board and get you some videos out so that we can get everybody started gardening in 2025. This ought to be a good year. And this video that we're making today, now this is for there's several ladies that's wanting to put flowers in their ceramic pots, and they want to make the wicking system in the bottom, but they don't want to drill a weep hole in the side of their pot. So let's make believe. Did y'all ever make believe when you was kids? You know, I used to make believe with a little girl next door, and we paid house and drank tea and coffee out of the cups and made believe it was empty cups. But anyway, we made believe we was a barber one time, but she actually cut my hair and wasn't supposed to. So anyway, that's beside the point. So let's play like this is a ceramic pot right here. This is one of our plastics, but we're going to make believe this is a ceramic pot. There's no hole except the hole in the bottom. See that black ring down there? That's the hole in the bottom. That's the only hole in this ceramic pot. But we want to set a system up in here, a wicking system, so that they don't have to water every day or twice a day in this hot summertime. So the first thing you need to do is make you an L like this. This is a piece of 1/2 inch. I just stuck it in there. You need to measure over to the center, whatever your ceramic pot is. Whatever size it is, measure from the edge down in the bottom over to the center, and that's how long you cut this pipe. And then we're going to go up 4 inches with French drain pipe, so we want to go up 4 inches with this. So we're going to put this together, and we're going to set it right down in the side over here, and I'm going to put this tape on there to hold it up, because I've got to put plastic in this tub. So I'm going to take this and lay it right in the bottom, tape this to the side, and that's going to be, and then the plastic is going to go inside of here, and it's going to be the pipe inside of that, and that's when you're going to cover and put your potting mix in there over the pipes, just like we do in these tubs. So everything will be fine. So let me set this down here, and we'll put it right over here and tape it up. All right. So now I've got my 2 pipes sitting in there, one on each side, taped up to the wall. And now then, what we did, we cut a piece of plastic 8 inches wider, 4 inches here and 4 inches here, wider than the bottom of it. You measure this bottom of the pot to see how wide it is across in the bottom. And then you add 4 inches over here and 4 inches over here. That's going to make 8 inches wider than whatever is the bottom of the diameter of the pot. And so we're going to lay that down in there now, down in the bottom on the top side of those pipes, and they're going to turn up the side 4 inches. And now, then we're going to put a pipe inside of that. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to lay this right down in here. Let me let you look at it. Let me turn it over and see if you can see it a little bit. Judy, can you get a picture of that? Well, my pipes run over the side, but anyway, I've got them down here and over the center, down there and over the center over here, and this plastic is turned 4 inches up all the way around. Anyway, we got that all set up like that now. Let me turn my pipes back to the center of the hole. Now then, I'm going to take one of these pipes here, and I'm going to put it down in this here plastic, down here. This may be something I can't do by myself. We'll see. Y'all bear with me just a minute. This plastic's trying to get away from me. And to make it easier on you, I'll tell you what you could do. You could cut it 8 inches and then cut 4 inches off. I've almost got it. Bear with me just a minute longer. Okay. Okay. Now then, I'm going to try to show you here. See, I've got them two pipes in there. I got the plastic on top of it. And anyway, you can see where that black pipe is in the inside of that all the way around the circle. Now we're going to take the little short piece and lay it crossways in there like we do in our regular tubs. No, nothing changed except we had to put that plastic in there. Now you can see I've got my cross piece in there. Now we have those two pipes, one on each side, and that's where we put the potting mix down in there and fill it up. And something like I didn't say, I suggest you take a little piece of ground cover or shade cloth like this and put it over the end of those pipes there on the sides, and that way the potting mix can't get down in your pipe and stop it up. And what's going to happen is you fill this up. Here's your pipe you put down in there to fill with. It'll go in that crack let me set it back down a minute. Okay. And we're going to stick this little piece of cloth down over that. And to give you an idea of what you could do, now this is the same thing except this is for 8 inches tall. This is going to be 2 pipes tall, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But you put this down over here, put your zip tie down over it, like into that right there, and zip it up, and now then there's no potting mix can get in that, okay? It's right there like that, and that's going to stick up there, so you'll see. Anyway, so now then that's all we have to do to fix a ceramic pot, which is wickable. You're going to put your potting mix in there, down in those cracks, just like you do a regular old pot. And you put your, then when we're going to water, you can put your water in there with the fertilizer in it, and you're good to go. I mean, it works just perfect. So, I did that. Now, you can put a piece of cloth over where these pipes are, or you put a cloth on each end of the pipe. I don't care. That's your choice. You could do the same thing to this other one, the round one, if you want to put a cloth over the end of this, like I've showed you. Just put the cloth over it, put a zip tie around it on each end. That's okay, too. Okay, so we got that in there. Now, that's 4 inches deep. Now then, if you're going to say, let's say you had a tall ceramic, I know some of the ladies calling me have got ceramic pots up here about tall as a 50-gallon barrel nearly. So what you would do, instead of just putting one layer, then you would, if it's a bigger pot around, then you run over to the center of your hole from each side, just like that. We're coming up 8 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches. So now then, instead of let's play like we got this pipe in here instead of the one I've got in there for 4 inches. Now we've got an 8-inch pipe sticking up. And let's play instead of that plastic 4 inches up. Now we've got one up there that's 8 inches up. We put this in there. This is 8 inches on each side, and when we turn it up, it'll be 8 inches tall. You got your 2 pipes in there going to the middle that's sticking up 8 inches. You got this plastic sticking up 8 inches. Now you put your 1 pipe in, and now then you come in and put your 2nd pipe right over the top of that first one. Just like we've been doing in the big tall tubs I've been showing you on your regular tubs. I'll show you what I'm talking about now, see? I put that right in there, right over the top of that one. Now you got 2 pipes high, 8 inches. Still a good deal. And the reason we do this now is so you don't have to water as often, and in a taller pot, you can stand it. Now, in a pot like this, if you were going to put a blackberry bush or blueberry bush or a fig bush, you couldn't use 2 of them in there because it's getting it too close to the top. You can see that. But with tomatoes or something like that, you could get by with it. And we're going to put this right in the middle, across the middle, just like we did